Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun. Hello everyone, welcome back to sketchit.fun. Today I'll be talking to you about the circle tool and the brother of the circle tool, the polygon. Okay, for the circle tool is this icon here. The shortcut for the circle tool is C. So, like the line tool and the rectangle tool, you left click once, pull it to a radius that you're happy with, then you left click again, and that's your circle. Another way to use the circle tool is when you select it, you left click, then you type in, let's say 5000 mm. No, sorry, the model is already in mm, so just type 5000 and you press enter. When you check the tape measure tool, it actually shows 5000 mm. So let's try it with meters. Let's try 4 meters, 4m. Before you left click, you press enter. So the third way to do it is with cm. After you left click once, then you drag it. So 300 cm is 3 meters. Then once I'm finished typing 300 cm, I press enter. The next one would be in inches and feet. Let's try feet first then. So maybe we can do 2 feet. Then 40 inches. Enter. So there you go. Alright, the circle tool has some hidden functions, and I'm gonna show them to you now. So after you select the circle tool, you left click once, you left click another time, and before you make any more adjustments, do the following. So let's say if I want to change this to 5 sides, I press 5S and enter, and it becomes a polygon. So if I continue to press 10S, it'll become 10 sides. So during this time, I can orbit, pen, zoom in or out. And if I type 20S, it'll go back to 20 sides again. So let's go back to 5 sides. The second way to increase the number of sides is you hold on to Control or Command and you press plus, 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 and the number of sides will increase. So if I just want to switch back to 5 sides, I can press 5S so. Or let's say this time I make it 30 sides. I press Control or Command. Command is for Mac, and I press minus. Every time I tap minus, the number of sides will decrease. And the maximum number of sides you must have in a circle will be 3. And it can be increased to 24. So let's go back to 20 sides by typing 20S. But once you select any other tool, you can't change the number of sides anymore. Alright, you've already seen what the circle can actually do. Now I'll show you what the polygon can do. So the polygon is this icon. So you left click once, like the circle, and you left click another time. That's how you form your first polygon. Here's the second method on drawing the polygon. is the same as the circle. You can key in the inscribed radius. So 1500 mm. So it works for meters, cm, inches and feet as well. But here's something I want to show you. It works if you key in 24S, it'll become a circle with 24 sides. And if you press Ctrl minus, the number of sides will reduce, and plus it will increase. And if you press another function, the commands don't work anymore. So that this part is the same as the circle. Essentially, the polygon starts out with 5 sides and the circle starts out with 24 sides. It's up to you to decide which one you want to use more often. But most of the time, you'll be using the circle more than the polygon. Unless you need to draw a polygon straight away. Alright, today the challenge will be for you to draw a squirtle. And you can use only the circle tool and the eraser tool. So this challenge will also be 3 minutes. Good luck. It's not easy, even for I also find it quite difficult. Alright, for today's challenge, I'll be showing you how to draw the squirtle, or try to draw the squirtle. So First of all, you draw his head, then his body. Oops. His body, then his eyes, his nostrils. I'm just gonna erase this, and his smiling mouth. Oh no. Here's his arm. It becomes small, big, small again. Yeah, small, big, small again. Then his legs. Oh my god. That's quite a fail, but it's for you to get familiar with circles anyway. And this is his tail. Oh man. Yeah, that's my attempt to draw Squirtle. So just need to erase what you don't actually need. So I'll keep the curves. Like this ones I'll keep. We redo his face. Okay, now this is better. The nose. Let's start with the mouth. Okay. Still not the best, but it's better than just now. Oh man, I should have done this with a picture. But anyway, this is how you do it. Alright, thank you for staying till the end of this video. So today actually, I just wanted to teach you how to use the circle and polygon. And I couldn't really think of anything really difficult to draw with a circle. So I decided to do something more fun. So I tried to draw my favorite Pokemon when I was a kid, and that would be Squirtle. But of course it did not really look like Squirtle, but I guess it's a work in progress. I hope you had fun doing this challenge. In my next video, I'll be teaching you other skills about SketchUp. Okay, thank you for staying. Have a good night or have a good day. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun.